Hello everyone and welcome back to the Code Syndicate. In this video, we will be discussing about panic in Rust. Sometimes our code may encounter some issues which are called errors. For example, when we try to access an element from an array which is out of the range. Rust calls such situation as panic when the program gets unhandled. This type of panic situations are created either by an action that causes our code to panic or by using panic macro. By default, panic prints the failure message and cleans the memory and quits, creating panic in our code. Creating panic is so simple. We call panic macro with the failure message. Let's try this. Let's run the code. Thread main panic add program panics, which is our panic message, which we defined here. If you want to fetch the complete log of this failure, you can track by this backtrace. You can see we have the full backtrace of this panic. Now let's see how panic happens due to error or bug in our code. Let's define a vector. In this case, we have this vector with the 4 elements, but we are trying to fetch the element in the index 5. That is the sixth element of this vector, which is unavailable. Let's run the code. As expected, we have got the panic. The train main panicked at index out of bound.